We are here live in a remote area of Paraguay where we are exploring the wildlife and, here we have some researchers out looking at what appears to be avian species. What are you guys doing?
That's you. Okay, that's me. We are trying to figure out the distribution of the doorbell bird in this area.
What's it called?
I don't know what's it called. We'll get you the scientific name later, but it's a doorbell bird.
I believe others refer to that species as the southern lapwing.
That one,
Lapwing.
yes, the southern
Yes.
lapwing.
We are counting them for 15 seconds.
Yeah, so our methods are we have two areas, one on one side of the road, the other on the other side of the road. We're doing 3 points in each of those two areas in a triangular fashion because we used a triangle superimposed over the area we drew out. At each point, we're doing counts of all the birds visible and 120 degrees for each person so that we cover all 360 degrees.
All the lapwings, but we also count any other birds we see just in case there might be further data that we could ask further questions on.
All right, and who's this young lad in between you two?
The most handsome of us all?
Yes.
And all the counts are only going out to 100 yards, which we kind of unified what we thought that would be earlier in the study prior to moving around from site to site.
Very nice. And do you find that exploring nature in the pooping position gives you the best results?
No, normally we sit under a shady
Typically
tree.
it's a nice, relaxing sit.
I'm working on my
Versus mud.
thigh muscles right
You
now.
made us do this.
Very good. Well, tune in next week to find the results. All right, we are here live in Paraguay with expert botanists Mariana, Lauren, and Cindy. What are you guys exploring?
We want to know if the rate or the type of touch will affect the opening rate of the leaves on the mimosa.
Wow. Let me see that in action. What happens if you touch it?
Okay, so here's our light touch demonstration.
Ooh, they are moving.
And then
Mariana, do the heavy touch. Do the aggressive touch.
the aggressive touch
I'm gonna do
is
it on this one.
Whoa. Man, what did that plant do to deserve that?
What is that method called again? Whacking. Whacking. It's
Whacking.
a swift
that
whack.
was the
swift
whack
whack.
method versus the
Very scientific.
Ah, very good. And is that an action plan and data?
It's kind of.
Ooh, look at that. Awesome. Carry on. Oh, we're walking up to what looks like researchers sitting in the middle of the cow pasture. What in the world could they be doing? Oh, is that who I think it is? Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. Everyone, we have just approached this award-winning myricologist, Abby Flanders. Wow. This is such a treat. Wow. What are you guys doing here?
Well, we're writing the word ant
Ooh.
on a piece of paper.
Yeah. You know your subject.
Oh, we do.
Yeah,
We
yes.
know our, we know our subject. We've got a word on a piece of paper and a bunch of little paper squares.
All right. We got
Right
a cow
now,
behind
I'm
us, I
also
guess.
observing a wild Kevin
Mm.
grazing in the grass.
A wild Kevin grazing. Oh,
Oh no! Oh no! You scared? Oh, we scared it. Oh.
He's hungry.
Oh, she's becoming.
is he a part of your study?
Oh, absolutely,
Oh.
absolutely.
Interesting.
The intelligence of wild Kevins to ants.
Wild Kevins to ants. Wow. So what are you out here really studying? Let me get to this. Who is it? Is this? Oh wow. Oh wow. Well, what luck. This is the second most award-winning myricologist in the world, Amanda. Wow. So what are you guys working on?
I just put a bunch of grass in front of the ants to see if they'll move it.
Oh.
And they're not.
Well,
They're just mad.
that's cool. What kind of ants are these?
They're leaf-eating ants.
Wow.
No, it's interesting because you can see the trails they've made that they've cleared away, which is
I
what we
see.
got distracted by.
Oh, awesome. Well, keep up the good work. Wow, that cow just stood up.
Oh my
Magic.
God.
I swear there's like people everywhere. I think this is Yeah, she's got binoculars. Oh, yes, this is expert ornithologist Melissa Owens. Wow.
Want me to make it look official?
This field is just full of all these researchers from all over the world. Melissa, I had no idea you were in Paraguay. I've read all your papers. What are you doing out here?
I'm bird watching.
Bird watching. Wow. Are you doing any kind of particular study? I saw you on Natural Geographic on an episode just last night.
So I am studying the species richness of birds in the wetland area of this beautiful farmland, and I am comparing that to species richness in the tall grassland.
Wow. Have you seen anything cool so far?
Burrowing owl
Oh, nice.
and a lark-like bush runner.
Wow. Is that a new species?
That's a new species for me.
Wow, awesome. I'll look forward to seeing that written up here soon. Well, take care. Carry on.
Thank you.
There's some other researchers right there. Should I approach? Will I skew their data? Ooh, they seem like they might be okay with me approaching. Ooh, I see a tape measure out there. It looks like they might be running a transect. Let's sneak up and see. Wow, it sounds like and looks like they are conducting ornithological research. They got the right tools. Hey, are you guys connected with the decorated Dr. Melissa Owens over there and her avian research, or is this a different bunch?
This is a different study.
Oh,
Yeah,
what?
We're colleagues of her. We know her.
Oh, okay. Do you publish in the same journals?
Occasionally, yeah.
Oh, where did you get your PhD?
School of Hard Knocks.
All right. Then where'd you get yours?
The wild outdoors.
Ah, very excellent. I didn't know that school existed. Where is it based out of?
It's anywhere you want it to be. You know, it kind of comes to you if you're special enough.
That sounds like this program I know from Miami University called Project Dragonfly. It's like very kind of explore your own world kind of thing. Very cool. Did you guys see anything cool out here?
Before we started doing this, yes, and since we're now actually trying to count the birds they've left.
Yes.
I saw a really cool one. I don't know what it was. From a distance, it kind of looked like a heron, but then with the binoculars, it had like a blue head. Well, now look, is that it? Back in the transect we were in before, when it was not there when we were on that transect?
Yeah.
It had like a blue head and like a pink streak, and then like a funny thing on its head.
Wow.
No idea what it was. I bet that's it. Now it's over there and we're not there.
Well, and then you had this.
Is that the same cardinal that you said before?
I mean, it doesn't
On the
matter. We
ground.
already got cardinal.
Then you had this interview come in and
It's cardinal.
mess up everything
No,
and scaring birds away. Sorry about that. What journal are you going to publish this research in?
The Parlatierra conference room journal.
All right. I'll look forward to reading it. Carry on. It's like, where is this pheromone trail? Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. I sniff it.
They open up slowly enough
Oh,
that it should
I lost it again. Oh, there it is. Yum, 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 yum. I must get this food back to my colony.
That thing.
Oh, yes.
I wouldn't want to be
He's
bitten
going
by
to make
that.
sure that he's going to be able to cut those leaves very effectively.
Oh,
Hello, how are you doing? Oh, don't mind me. All right, see you. Ciao.